Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can link music services to your Amazon Echo Pop speaker. So first of all, in the application we have to go for the home and find this option, link music services. When you do this, you've got the family and our account only. So I'm going to do this only for my account, and I want to switch. That's our default service. That's the Amazon Music. But if you want to change it, just click right here. And in my case, I don't have any other, but if you install like YouTube Music, Spotify, you will find it right here on the list. But when you just go back right here, you can click to the link new services, of course, and you can add your new account. So if you have, for example, the Apple Music, Spotify, as I said, Deezer or Tidal, you can just click right here, and you will be able to add your, second accounts, but you have to wait until this screen move. So just wait a little bit, and here you have to click to enable to use, and then you will be redirected to log into the Apple Music. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.